Hello guys. Hello guys. Oh, 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 oh. Warning, warning, warning. This might hurt your eyes, so warning, warning. This might hurt your eyes. This might hurt your eyes. This might hurt your eyes, so warning. Thank you for, you're welcome for telling me that. Yeah, so, just like that, just like last time, sorry, but this is darkness. So it's nighttime. It's nighttime for me. It's nighttime. It's super dark. Not that nighttime. Okay. Or is it just me? Oh wait. Oh, that's just a blue. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Wait. What the? I just saw something. The darkness. It's the darkness. I think I want to go a little bit closer. Like 20? Yeah, 20 is okay. So now you can see very close. Which, thank you for me. Oh, I hear something. There might be fireworks. Yeah, there might be fireworks. Oh! Yep, there is. Up. Yep. What about the big fireworks? The fireworks is finished. Yeah, there might be more. Don't worry, okay? This will get like 3 minutes long, so this might be a bad thing. Sorry about the wait. Was it there? Or there? Or there? There? Or 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 there? No fireworks? It's gonna be 3 minutes, so I guess this will be kind of cool. Yeah. What? I hear something. That might be. Wait. It's 3 minutes. I can make this longer. Okay, sorry about that. That's not fireworks. Okay. This is not the sky. This is the floor. This is the floor. Can you see that? That's the floor. This is. Oh! Oh my gosh! Wow! This is 3 minutes long, and it's gonna be 4. It's gonna be 4. Oh gosh! Bye.